Welcome back to the Vital Supplement YouTube guide, where we break down real health solutions with real talk. No hype, no gimmicks. Today we're talking about a supplement that's generating serious buzz in the nerve pain and neuropathy space. It's called Nerve Fresh. If you or someone you love struggles with burning, tingling, or stabbing pain in your hands, feet, or legs, this might be the video that changes things. Let's get into it. Nerve Fresh is an all-natural neuropathy support formula made for people struggling with chronic nerve pain, especially that burning or numbness caused by conditions like diabetes, aging, or inflammation. According to the brand, Nerve Fresh supports nerve cell regeneration, reduces pain and tingling sensations, helps calm nerve inflammation, and restores mobility and quality of life. It contains a mix of powerful plant-based ingredients, including passion flower, prickly pear, corydalis, California poppy, and more. Each one is backed by research showing its impact on the nervous system, especially for calming overactive pain signals. So how does it actually work? The real magic behind Nerve Fresh is that it tackles nerve inflammation at the root, and that's the silent cause of most neuropathic pain. Here's what happens. Inflammation puts pressure on nerve endings. Damaged nerves send false pain signals to your brain. That leads to burning, tingling, or even numbness. Nerve Fresh's herbal blend calms the nervous system, protects nerve coatings, myelin, rebuilds nerve pathways, and lowers overall pain sensitivity. In short, it doesn't just block the pain temporarily like meds, it helps retrain your nerves to function normally. Now, is it safe? Yes, it's made in the USA, in an FDA-approved GMP-certified facility, and contains no stimulants, toxins, or GMOs. It's best suited for people with diabetic neuropathy, anyone over 40 with nerve inflammation or tingling, and folks recovering from nerve damage or surgery. But if you're pregnant, nursing, or taking heavy pain meds, definitely talk to a doctor first. Most people feel noticeable results within 7-21 days, especially relief in the feet and hands. Here's where things get real. People using Nerve Fresh have reported going from constant foot pain to pain-free mornings, pins and needles in fingers totally gone, and sleeping through the night without nerve pain jolting them awake. Some say they felt results in as little as 5 days, while others needed 2-3 weeks. Our verdict? Nerve Fresh is one of the most promising natural nerve support supplements on the market right now, if you're tired of just masking the pain and want to heal the source. If you're dealing with nerve pain and you're sick of the pills, creams, or endless frustration, give Nerve Fresh a real try. Click the link in the description below to grab your bottle while this limited-time offer is still live. And yes, it comes with a money-back guarantee. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Vital Supplement Guide, and share this review with someone who needs relief today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Stay well and stay winning.